Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle, and better yet, they are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, install the required truck hardware finishing caps. A video tutorial for this installation can be found in the description below. Please note that to install your Gatorback mud flaps onto the finishing caps, the screws in these positions must be removed. Once your caps are installed, remove the interior factory screw as shown. Next, install a spring clip with the thread facing outwards on the outermost hole of your finishing cap. We will now install our two supplied clamps onto the flap. Place one of the supplied clamps into the top hole of your flap, ensuring that the metal tab slides into the matching slot. Once in place, loosely secure the clamp using one of the large inner hole washers and a cap screw. Repeat this process for the next clamp on the lower hole. Next, loosely install the mud flap into the interior factory hole using a nylon spacer, washer, and hex bolt. Ensure that the nylon spacer is on the back of the flap and against the fender liner during this process. With the inside of the flap roughly in place, we will now position the outside. Pull your flap away from the lower clamp as shown, then slide the metal tab of the clamp under the fender to secure it in place. Do this once again for the top clamp. The flap should now be in position. Check to ensure that all remaining holes line up with the holes found on the finishing cap. Once all holes are lined up, secure the slot over the spring clip using a large hole washer and a cap screw. Then use two sets of hex screws and washers to loosely secure the final two holes on the flap. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure that the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Finally, once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.